Hello beauties, how's everyone doing? I hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be showing you all how I achieve 5 different hairstyles from my straight clip-in hair extensions. These are DIYs and I just love having clip-ins because it's so versatile. I can style it in a lot of different looks very quickly. And so today's look, I'm just gonna use my bun. So I'm just gonna do a sleek bun to achieve these 5 hairstyles. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna take this off and put my hair in a sleek bun. Alrighty, so my bun looks good. Now I'm just gonna put my hair in a twist and secure it with rubber bands. Just gonna add a little more got2b glue. So my hair in the sides and in front are a bit short, so I'm applying more of the glue for a more better hold for my hair. So now I'm just gonna start wrapping my clip-ins onto the ends, starting from the ends going up to the base of my hair. So I'm just putting the clip-ins on top of each other until I reach the top. So it's so easy to use these clip-ins. Just open the clips, attach it to your hair, close it, and just keep on moving up until we reach the base of the hair. And more pomade for a sleek ponytail look. From here, I'm just gonna get a piece of hair and wrap it in the base to cover the tracks. And secure it with the bob pin. So this is the first hairstyle. And with the got2b glue, you wanna also put a scarf over it after you spray it so that it sits. It really does make a huge difference of how the hair is held in place after removing the scarf. I just wasn't able to record this step. So this is the second hairstyle. I'm just gonna keep the ponytail and do a braid. So I'm going to separate my hair in 3 pieces and start braiding going down. So I went ahead and tied a headscarf in front and I really loved how it looked. So to elevate the look, I really love adding headscarves, headbands, hair jewelry. So I really love this look. It's simple and cute. So for the third look, I'm gonna be using this small rubber bands. So just to create a different look, I just added rubber bands and it's a cute, simple style. So I added some hair jewelry just to give this look an extra pop. And from here, I'm gonna create another cute, chic look by just wrapping it around the front of my hair. And I'm gonna secure the hair underneath with the bobby pin. So I love this look. It's so cute, it's so elegant, so I love this. So for my final look, I'm gonna be keeping this hair and I'm gonna be adding bangs. The hair is short because I cut it, and I do have clip-ins, 2 clip-ins on this hair that's gonna go in front of my head. So I'm just opening the clips and I'm gonna attach it in the front of my bun. And you want to put the clip-in bangs very close to the base of the ponytail, just so that the hair would hide the clip-ins. And I trimmed a little just to give myself a good length. So there you go, those are the hairstyles I created using my straight clip-in hair extensions.